Hi everyone, in this video I'll be restoring the cracked center console armrest lid of my C5 Corvette. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So as I was removing my center console to get the radio and the other components, this happened. Oh, you've got to be f***ing kidding me. It turns out my scissor hinge is not working correctly. In its fully upright position, the part that attaches to the lid should be vertical. As you can see here, it is really binding. This is what caused the issue. The armrest is comprised of three main sections. The leather top, which is wrapped around what I call a frame, and then an inside panel which buttons up to the frame. This inside panel just has holes for the stems of the frame to marry to. The stems is what you screw into. In my case, these stems all cracked off. So I am unscrewing what I can, and then on some, holding the stem with a needle nose pliers while I unscrew it. Once I remove the inside panel, you could really see the stems and some of them that have cracked off. I need to remove some of the stems which are still trapped on the scissors hinge also. Now in the air conditioning of my home, I started placing these stems back to their original spot, and all in all, it was not too bad. Each one was like a unique jigsaw puzzle piece. I just needed to glue them back into place. But I needed something super strong. I ended up getting some plastic JB Weld to do the job. I took it in steps. First was just to get the pieces back in place, and then it was to get as many layers of glue to really get much strength to the surrounding area of the lid. These stems were on an angle on the frame, so it was difficult to get it to lay right and see at the same time. One thing I was worried about is getting all the screw holes to be on the same plane. This way it will marry up to the hinge correctly. I knew it would be a little off, but I did my best to keep it as flat as possible. Then I test fitted the inside cover. So once I got this plane of holes taken care of and dried, then I started on the next ones that needed to be done while intermixing with other parts I was restoring. This really sped up the process instead of doing one at a time. You will see the other units in upcoming videos. Then some more reinforcement plastic and set it to cure. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.